Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm recording this video pre-market. The current time is 8:47 a.m. EDT. And why I'm recording this video, because you can see that pre-market the share FTFT, which is Future Fintech, is up almost 25%. And not only 25%, because 25% corresponds to 7.7. At one point actually the share price went up to $8, right? So it was a huge increase. I guess it was 30%. So what happened? Why the share price is up so much in the morning? So there was a news that came this morning around 7 o'clock that Future Fintech announces framework agreement to acquire Bitcoin mining firm. So a leading blockchain-based e-commerce business and a fintech service provider is FTFT. So today they announced that the company and the shareholders of Nanjing Rivency Electronic Technology, anyway, if I butchered the name, have signed an acquisition framework agreement to acquire this company, which currently operates a Bitcoin mining farm with a capacity to operate 30,000 Bitcoin mining machine. That's the main news, right? So they acquired a company who has a capacity to operate 30,000 Bitcoin mining machine. Bitcoin mining farms are data centers that are equipped to host mining machine to mine Bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies and require substantial technical energy and other systems. So that's the main news actually. Okay. So why this is important? Because we know BTC is really doing good. With if I look at the BTC chart, currently we are around 58,000. We all know about cryptocurrency, so whenever there any company announce anything regarding Bitcoin, then it pops up. Now I also want to mention other thing, because some people might ask, am I bearish on this particular stock? Especially the video I released last night, I said like be careful. Like you can see my last video, I said a must watch video to expect the earning, more deep buying opportunity coming. So first of all, am I bearish on this particular stock? Hell no. I am bullish on this particular stock. If you go to my playlist, you can see I have been covering this particular stock for a long time, I think since from 5.5. So definitely I'm not bullish, but at the same time the video I make yesterday just to tell you what you could expect. And if you still think I'm bearish, let me see, because their 2020 earning did not came, so they filed a notice of late annual filing. So it came yesterday, and over there they said that from the due date within 15 calendar days they will release their main earning. And also they talked about the anticipated changes, and you can see that their revenue decreased, right? Revenue decreased by 0.57 million, which is 59%. That's a lot, right? Also their loss from operation increased by 40 million to 51 million, right? So it was 10 million in 2019, now this is 51 million. So the loss from operation has increased by 40 million. So that is why I was saying that many people, because the actual earning did not come, some people do not know about what's coming, because people do not know. So if at any point within next 15 days, if the earning comes, whenever people will see the earning, maybe there will be a sell off. That is why I said be careful, be careful, lock some profit, or you can set some trailing stop limit loss. So if the share price comes down maybe 5%, if you set at 5%, then you will just sell your shares. So nothing wrong. So I'm not shorting, I'm not bearish. So now today there is a run up, and if you have set your trailing stop limit, then there is nothing to lose. Like if the share price goes up to $8, then maybe when it's 5% down, maybe around 7.9, your shares were sold. So nothing wrong. So just looking at the chart, let's go, you went to $8, then your limit, trailing limit is like 5%. So you sold your stock around 7.8. You lost nothing. You still gained 25%, right? So I'm not bearish, definitely, but my main point was to be strategic and to lock some profit. That is why I made the video that be careful. Still, during the earning, they can come up with very good guidance, and they can always keep more news on the Bitcoin, and definitely the stock will rise. And in my previous video I always talk, my price target is around $10. So I'm not bearish. The main point was like, if the earning comes with this kind of news that everything decrease, then the share price can come down. And then I said set some limit buy order around 4.5, because if you look at the chart, let's move to a daily chart. if a terrible news comes, then the share price can come down. So 5.7, 4.5, that was the limit by order I mentioned. Like still, like it could be possible if any kind of bad news comes, if it comes down, you buy the share. So there is nothing to lose, right? The whole point is to be smart. So if there is good news, your trail stop limit will ride you at the top. If there is a bad news, then you are just locking your profit. At the same time, due to your limit buy order, you are grabbing the share at a cheaper price. So I don't know, like if you think I'm bearish or I'm shorting this stock, that's hell no. I'm still bullish on this particular stock, and I'm so happy my profile is up because this share price was like 30% up. And just because of my trailing stop limit, I think I sold my shares pre-market around 7.8 something. So good, nothing is bad. Now what can happen? Like now the share price is going up, that's good. And I think they also have some offering. I have to see the news, but I think they have authorized of common stock from 60 million to 300 million. So sometime like when the share price goes up a lot, the company, they offer some public sharing, the share price comes down. Or just before, if you know there is a terrible earning, you release some news, the share price goes up, then the earning comes, so the share price comes down. So many things can happen, and there is nothing to lose. Like I'm still very bullish because they are working with Bitcoin, and as long as Bitcoin is going up, you are going up, nothing wrong. The only thing is if it comes down, grab more share. So you see my point, right? So anyway, my friends, if you look at the chart, I think around 8.5 we have a resistance, and after that we have 10.5. Currently we are 7.7. In the morning we went up to $8. Not bad, we came down. Who knows when the market will open, we will just run again. So anyway, my friends, so the whole purpose of this morning video is to tell you like why the share price is up so much, and how we can lock some profit, we can gain some money. And if there is any kind of bad news coming in the future, any kind of terrible earning, then if the share price comes down, grab more share. And always set trailing stop limit. If you are in profit, do not just sell. Trailing stop limit will always help you to ride the wave. And when you reach the top, then if the share price is coming down, then you sell the share, not like just sell right away. Anyway, my friends, is the share is close to 9 o'clock, so the market will open. So I just wanted to make this particular video. So if you're riding the wave for FTFT with me, then definitely congratulations. You guys must be in profit this morning. So take care, my friends. Have a wonderful trading day. Peace.